I request everyone to join your hands and pray with me. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Please join me in singing the TTIS anthem. Together we can do great things. Hand in hand out loud we sing. Bosco, heights we are and shall be, for the whole world to see. We follow Saint John Bosco, a friend of ours forevermore, to help those in need and spread loving kindness. That's what we're called to do. Salute, salute to Don Bosco, through him we learn, innovate, transform. Salute, salute to Don Bosco, we strive to be like him. Quality is what we believe in. Unified is how we'll win. Giving our best in all that we do, and to always be true. Being loyal to our country, to live with peace and liberty, to trust in a caring God for our well-being, raising our voices we sing. Salute, salute to Don Bosco, through him we learn and we transform. Salute, salute to Don Bosco, we strive to be like him. We strive to be like him. We strive to be like him. Thank you.
We, the students of Grade 3B, welcome our director, Reverend Father Crispino, Reverend Father Orwell, our principal Miss Meena Saldana, our PYP coordinator Miss Gladys, our early years coordinator Miss Charlotte Fernandez, our teachers and my fellow schoolmates.
In 1992, the United Nations designated March 22nd as World Water Day in order to emphasize the importance of conserving and managing our freshwater resources. Its main aim is to educate the importance of water to the whole world. Also, it mainly focuses on reducing the wastage of water.
The World Water Day celebrates water and raises awareness of the global water crisis. And the core focus of the observance is to support the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal SDG 6, water and sanitation for all by 2030.
The theme of World Water Day is Valuing Water. The value of water is much more than its price. Water has enormous and complex value for our households, food, culture, health, education, economics, and the integrity of our natural environment.
If we overlook any of these values, we risk mismanaging this finite, irreplaceable resource. SDG 6 is to ensure water and sanitation for all.
Having large storage tanks that contain harvested water are great in areas known for forest fires as the tank is a readily available water source. Plants are not the only species on Earth that requires water for survival. In fact, every species on this planet needs water to live and survive. Fruits and vegetables, as well as other produce, requires water to grow.
By practicing basic water conservation tips, we can save more than hundreds and thousands of water every year.
97% of all the water on earth is salt water, which is not suitable for drinking. The other 2.5% of water is locked in ice caps, glaciers, the atmosphere, soil, or under the earth's surface. And only 0.5% of water is available for drinking. It protects our ecosystem and wildlife. Saving water can also lead to saving energy and it can reduce our carbon footprint.
Let's now have a look at the different ways we can save water in our daily household chores.
Showers better, use the bucket and tumbler. Have short showers better, use the bucket and tumbler. This is a tumbler, this is a bucket.
So this is the tap over here and this is the connection that the water is leading to the sink tap. So you have to keep the main valve of the tap low so that you use minimum water while washing your vessels. Do not throw the tea leaves after preparing tea. You can add this to the soil of your plants. It's an amazing manure for their growth. While brushing your teeth, keep the tap shut and instead of using your hand, use a tumbler to collect water and rinse your mouth.
My dear friends, your teachers will share a website with you for you to learn, share, and act on this day, and to do your little bit to save water. Do not forget to tag your pictures with hashtag World Water Day when you share it on Twitter or Instagram. Thank you.
Let's hear the global news on World Water Day. The Bermuda Underwater Exploration Institute hosted an open house on March 20th. This was an opportunity to shine a spotlight on the importance of water to the Bermuda's past, present, and future prosperity.
Despite challenges brought on by global pandemic, water ambassadors. Canada is working to connect even more communities with clean water in 2021. To continue supporting in-country partners, drill wells and install water purification systems in communities in need around the world.
In honor of World Water Day, Los Angeles-based Bliss Car Wash today announced a fundraising effort for the non-profit Wells Bring Hope, an organization that builds wells for needy villages in Africa for the year 2021.
As Massachusetts observes World Water Day this year, the state's communities have a particular reason to celebrate. They recently enacted a state sewage notification bill. The day provides state residents an opportunity to consider the importance of clean water. Thank you.
To end this assembly, we would like to leave you with a thought for the day. If there is no water, there is no life.
We now request Father Crispino to share his thoughts with us.
Okay, good morning to everyone and congratulations to the third B for enlightening us this morning on the theme of water on World Water Day. So, Snowy and Krishna, well done. Your children did well for the assembly. Yeah, and what particularly stands out is everyone is in white and blue. Yeah. So actually, I came in and I realized I was the only odd man out, so I quickly went and put my cassock. So now I'm also in sync with all on the screen. Only I wish I had a blue dupatta in my room. I would have put that also across my shoulders. So you all are looking very cute in your white dresses and the blue dupattas. I'm sure you'll have taken it from either your sisters or your mothers. Yeah. This water is a very powerful symbol, you know. Uh, I don't know how many of you are aware, but in the Bible, right from the beginning, especially uh, in the Old Testament, that is the first half of the Bible, water plays a very important role. Uh, the book of Genesis starts with creation, where there was only waters, and then God separated the waters, made waters separate, and land appeared. Then you hear of water when the floods affected the world, and then to save the people, uh, God told Noah to build an ark, and that is how they were saved from the waters. And after that, the rainbow appeared, and then God promised them through the rainbow that He would never again destroy the world with water. Then, when you come to Moses, you have the parting of the Red Sea, and the Israelites who were slaves in Egypt were saved from slavery, by God making that miracle through Moses of dividing the Red Sea into two so that they could pass. And I could go on and on giving you examples like this of water. Uh, you must remember that those people in Israelite, they were living in a desert territory. And so because in deserts, it is very rare to find water. So wherever there was water, people would settle down over there, and people, that was something that was very essential to life, you know and water was a very important part of all their rituals. Water is a symbol of purification, so we use water. You have given some very beautiful examples in the assembly on how we can save water, because they say in the next few years the biggest wars will be for water, not for anything else, because water will be such a scarce commodity that people will start fighting and killing each other because of water. So that is why we need to take care of this gift that God has given us, and we should not waste it. So once again, to everyone who are attending this assembly, a very good morning and have a beautiful day today. Thank you.
Please do share your thoughts with us, Meena ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. Beautiful assembly, Miss Snowy, Miss Krishna, and Grade 3B. I love the way you all sang the school anthem. I thought it should be a part of all our assemblies now. Otherwise, soon we are going to forget the tune and the words of the school anthem. So let us keep it as one part of the assembly where we will sing the school anthem. So then slowly it becomes something which we all at DBS will learn and know too. And we have to sing our anthem very, very proudly. That is something which we would want all the children to do. It's unfortunate that once our school anthem was created and we started singing it, we have not had assemblies in school, our gatherings in school have not happened. But I think if you keep singing it at the assemblies and at the events in the school, then with time, all of us will be very, very ready with the words and the singing of the school anthem. Now, coming back to your assembly, water, as father said, the next world wars would be fought for water. That is what is being said. In our own way, we also know that 97% of the water which is there on earth is not the drinkable water. So I think we have to come out with ways and means of converting that drinkable water into water which can be consumed in a manner that it is economical to do so. Because converting is possible, but it requires a lot of energy, which again involves a lot of money. So, innovative ways in which the same salt water can be made into drinkable water should be the thought behind the innovators of DBIS. Thank you, children, and have a good day.
Miss Gladys, can you please share your thoughts too?
Thank you, Eleanor. Children, very well done. It was very simply conducted, but a very important message for us all. What I especially liked is you showed us how we can bring about a change at home, and that is where change always begins, right? So thank you so much for your message. We will all be extra cautious and careful to save and conserve this precious commodity and bring about a change and try and make a impact to the world out there. Yeah. Thank you, Miss Krishna, Miss Noe. Very well done. All you children were so clear, and I especially loved how not Eleanor, what was it? Megan sang the school anthem, sorry. Good morning, children, and have a good day.
Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.